Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Look how beautiful it is. Let's start. Blue, blue, orange, pink, green, black, blue, brown and pink. Look, these colors. How beautiful. Let's start to draw A, B, C, D in capital and a small letter. Let's start. This is pink color. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y and Z. This is the capital letter. Let's start to draw. Write a small letter ABC alphabet. Small A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for T, U, V, W, X, Y and J. Thank you for watching. Bye. Please like and subscribe.